Hello everyone and welcome to chapter 8 lesson 2 inner join using natural join syntax. In the previous lesson we learned what is the join and what is the benefit of using join. Here we will focus on inner join using natural join syntax. Again, joins is used to link two tables together using a common column data to retrieve data from both tables. Here the natural join will automatically use all the columns that have the same name in two tables to retrieve the data. Oracle here will link table 1 to table 2 using the columns that have the same name in both tables. For example, if you are linking departments table with location table using natural join, there is no need to specify what is the common column name in this case. Oracle will automatically pick up the common name from both tables, which is in this case location ID. It selects rows from both tables that have equal values in all matched columns with the same name. If the columns having the same name but having different data types, in this case the select statement will return an error. Let's have a look at this example to understand how to use natural join. Here we have two tables, departments table and locations table. So let's assume that we want to write a select statement to return the department name, which exists in first table, and the city, which exists in the second table. So here, for example, department IT. What is the city name for department ID? I can know from the first table department ID exists in location 1400. From table locations, I can go to label locations, and this is 1400. So this is the common data from both tables using location ID. So from the second table, I can know the city for this location, which is South Lake. So this is the South Lake. So IT department exists in South Lake City. Okay, how to write the join statement using natural join syntax? Select department ID, the department name, the city. So these two columns from departments table, city from locations table. From departments, the first table, natural join locations table. This is the syntax of natural join. So here Oracle will automatically look at the first table and look at the second table. What are the columns that have the same name in both tables? Here we have location ID and here we have location ID. So in this case, Oracle will join table 1 to table 2 using location ID as a common data. So Oracle will take the first record, department ID 10, department name administration. What is the city for this department? This is the location ID for this department, which is 1700. Where is the city for 1700? Seattle. So this is the first record. Record 2, department ID 20, department name marketing. I need to read the city. So Oracle will join this record with this record, Toronto. So he return Toronto. The third department, department 30, department name purchasing, location ID is 1700. Where is 1700? This is 1700, Seattle, and so on. So this is the output of join table departments with table locations using the natural join syntax. So in natural join syntax, we didn't tell Oracle what is the common column data to be used. He will automatically pick up the columns that have the same name from both tables to do the join in this case. So in this lesson, we learned how to write an inner join statement using natural join syntax. I hope this video was informative for you, and thank you for watching.